we are now going to deal with a few examples of the writing task that comes under academic writing task 1. So behind me I have a graph, a pictorial representation, a bar diagram. The question goes like this. The diagram shows hacking attempts on an international reputed website per month from 1997 to 2007. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So here you have the bar diagram, and here we have the years, and here the number of attempts of hacking every year. So you can start your academic writing task 2 like this, task 1, which is 150 words. In the year 1997, this particular website has been hacked almost up to 440 times. And then in the year 1998, it has drastically dropped to around 240 times a year. And the following year is the least number of times the hacking attempt had been made, which is around 75 times. And then moving on to the 2000s, it has again seen a steep increase where it had been hacked for about 190 times, and then in 2001 exceeds the previous year, it goes beyond 200 times. And then from 2002 there has been a steep decline in the number of hacking attempts, where in 2002 it's a little above 100 times, and 2003 is almost about 100 times, and in the year 2004 it's just about 80 times being hacked. And coming again to 2005 with the advance in technology and all those things, it again shoots up to around 180 times in that particular year, and then again drops down to around 110 times in the year 2006, and then finally in the year 2007 it again finds a steep rise to around 170 times. So this is the pictorial representation, and I have given you a general comparison of the number of times this particular website has been hacked in various years for the span of 10 years, and this can be given as an answer in about 150 words.